no longer Chev B account. This is a Beyonce stan account. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Even though Drake said we're wearing checks, not stripes. I'm sorry, Drake, but when it's Beyonce, we gonna wear the stripes, okay? You can't just have half the drip. You need the whole thing. Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. If you're new to this channel, welcome, GWAN. Make sure you are subscribed down below. For today's video, I'll be doing a try on haul for you guys, and if you can't already tell by the title of the video and by what I'm wearing, this will be an Ivy Park try on haul, and you already know that's the Adidas and Beyonce collaboration, and this is drip number 2. Now I missed the first drip. Okay, I was a little sad at first, but seeing this second one, the colors in my opinion are way nicer. I'm loving the neon greens and the browns and the greens and the pinks. Like these color combinations were bomb. They're giving me a lot of spring summer vibe, but it's fall and we're gonna wear it anyway. Initially I had a whole lot of I wanted to buy, so I got about 7 items. I had 10 items in my cart, and as soon as I went to check out, they went poof. Okay, they disappeared, and I only managed to grab about 5 items from the actual Adidas website, and then I went to order some more on Foot Locker the next day, and then Foot Locker messaged me after I placed my order to say that some of my items sold out after I placed my order. So it's a lot of headache trying to get some of these Ivy Park clothing. Okay, it's drama, but I got some items, about 7 of them, and I'm gonna try it on for you guys. So I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, so the first item I'll be trying on for you guys is this sweater and skirt combo dress. Now it is not detachable. I thought I could detach it, like to wear them separately and just to mix them up with other stuff, but they actually are sewed on together. Now there was a little bit of difficulty to get into it, because how do you get into a skirt and hoodie combo? Okay, you know you gotta do a whole lot of just to get your head into a hoodie when you're wearing makeup and your hair is already done. But yeah, the color on this is so pretty. I am loving the green. I don't think I wear green like that, if at all, and I am loving it. So I paired this with these shoes to go with it, to match, you know, like you need the whole drip. You can't just have half the drip, you need the whole thing. I'm not much of a matchy type person, but the shoes definitely finishes the outfit. So I'm just gonna leave a picture here for you guys to see how, you know, how I put them together. And the hoodie, girl, the hoodie, do you see the hoodie? It is so wide. If I want to disappear and hide from a bitch, like, hello, bye-bye, vanish. Okay guys, on to our next item. Now these are the green jogger pants, and I got mine in a large because that's typically what I go for in joggers, but I think I could have gotten away with a medium because this is a unisex type jogger, so I guess the large meant large men as well. It still fits great because I like my clothes baggy, my sweatsuits and my loungewear baggy, but we could have gotten away with a medium. But the thing is, when you're ordering things that are on demand, you need to just cash out. So there was no room for second guessing. I just had to get the large and get my ass out of there, or else I wouldn't get anything at all. This outfit is cute. This is definitely giving me airport run type of vibe. So initially I forgot to tell you guys, like on the sweater dress, I love my hoodies with pockets, and this doesn't have any pockets. As I told you, I am playing chess, not checkers, so I did cut the sweater off of the skirt and I got the full set. So yeah, I could wear the skirt with or without the sweater, and I could wear the sweater with other things. So anyways, back to the pants. So it's like a bunch of patchy pockets on there. So there's a pocket here, there's a separate pocket over here with the zipper, and then there's a pocket, This is a pocket over here too. Listen, I could put my whole purse in this thing. I don't need no purse. And as I said, this is so wearable. This is me on a normal day. Joggers and sweats all day. Speaking of which, I have a loungewear try on haul coming for you guys real soon. Okay, so you better watch out for that. So in addition to getting the fit, you needed some accessories. So I end up getting the bucket hat in green. Now this is a reversible bucket hat and it worked great because I also got the crew neck in this color, so I could wear it whichever way. So I'm assuming when I wear this, I'm gonna have to take out the tag or else I'm gonna look tacky as hell. I don't know how I wear colored bucket hats with my makeup on. What I like to do, because I have a white bucket hat, so what I did is I put like a clear tape on the inside here where my forehead would be, so that, you know, like it doesn't like rub off on top of the hat and smudge on my makeup. You understand what I'm saying? Okay, y'all, now we got the full fit going on because the bucket hat with the sweater, the joggers, and the shoes is a whole entire vibe. Like, what? Girl, what? Girl, call me Shavonce. Okay, because I'm channeling all of Beyonce right now. Shavonce. Okay, this is no longer Chev B account. This is a Beyonce stan account. Shavonce. That's my name. Address me as such. Now, the hat fits real good. You guys know I'm already wearing a wig. So for it to be able to fit over some doo-doo cornrows plus this wig and it's still fitting comfortably. Now moving on to our next drip, I got a t-shirt. I was supposed to get the leggings to go with my t-shirt because, you know, as I said, we're all about that lounge wear. I'm feeling this t-shirt. I got it in a medium, I think. I don't even know. But anyway, so the t-shirt with the joggers is looking cute as well, and I can imagine this with the bucket hat. Even though I was complaining about the joggers earlier being a tad big, it's still making my booty look real nice and big, you know what I'm saying? So if you got a small booty, you might want a large jogger because they actually make your bum look bigger than it actually is. But now our next item is this crew neck sweatshirt. Now I had to order this separately because again it sold out super fast. I got this in a small on Foot Locker Canada. This sweater is super thick. Okay, it is hella thick, so this is definitely gonna be my staple in the winter. I'm gonna just drag it on and stuff. So it already got the Adidas stripes on the side. You know, even though Drake said we're wearing checks, not stripes. I'm sorry, Drake, but when it's Beyonce, we gonna wear the stripes, okay? I like that the ivy part is green on the sweatshirt, so I could actually kind of wear it with these pants if the vibes fit. You know what I'm saying? Depending on the vibe of that day, they could actually go together. I love that these items are mix and match. I actually did get the sweatpants, or I was supposed to get the sweatpants, the joggers to go with this same color, but as I said, Foot Locker sent me an email like yesterday to say that it's sold out and it's not going to be my shipment. But oranges and apples, life goes on. And as I said, the bucket hat is reversible, so you guys see that you could also match the bucket hat with this, and then the green on it goes with the green on the brim, and it's just a whole vibe. You know what I'm saying? It's just a whole vibe. Like everything goes. Like, girl, what? So I'm actually happy that I got the mint green with the emerald type green, where they can actually connect and separate from each other because of the color combos, you know, with everything going on. This is cute. Okay, beautiful people, now we are down to our final item, and I couldn't decide between both sneakers, so I just decided to get both of them because like the green and the neon greens wouldn't go with this top, so I needed something to go with this top. And this sneakers look so universal, like I could mix and match it with whichever combo. I also got it in a men's size 6, and they are so comfortable. I don't know if I'll go jogging in them. I am not a jogger. I don't jog, so I don't know who I'm kidding, but they're nice comfy wear to just throw on and go. Okay guys, now this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. Let me know which item was your favorite, or which combo or color combo you think would go best together. So just let me know, spam the comment section, okay? Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at damnthatschev. If you haven't subscribed to the channel as yet, you need to go ahead and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah.